it's the way. It's the way, Wavykid, yeah, it's the way. It's the way, it's the way,
There he is!
Wavykid, yeah.
YouTube, what's going on, man? We got another banger for you guys, okay? So right now we're just doing a basic 360 wave taper, you know what I'm saying? Clean haircut. One I like to call it the pretty boy haircut, alright? It's my buddy Jax. You know what I'm saying? Real cool friend of mine, you know what I'm saying? The reason why I call it a pretty boy haircut because he light skinned, you know what I'm saying? I like to mess with the light skins, bruh. Cause you know what I'm saying, they be all up in the camera and the mirror and you know be talking to all the girls. So I call it the pretty boy haircut. Every time I cut a light skin, it's a pretty boy haircut. You feel me? But yeah, man. So obviously I combed the hair out. You just want to lift that hair off the scalp, and I basically set my guidelines in before I even start cutting the hair down. That'll just save time when doing the haircut. So if you guys want to try that, it'll definitely save you some time by just setting in the ball guidelines before cutting the hair down or before even doing the taper. Just start your guidelines and then cut the hair down, you know what I'm saying, move on to the next step. So as you can see, I did it 2 close on the crown, and right now I'm doing a 1.5 around the rest of the head, just trying to go over it multiple times to get that nice even clean cut. Now as y'all can see, Jax isn't like a super, you know what I'm saying, super like hard on his waves, you know what I'm saying. He's not like a top tier waver, but he do have waves. So you make sure you want to cut the same way he brushes. Whatever the waves flow in, that's the way he brushes his hair. So you just want to go the same way he brushes his hair with that clipper, so you don't get any like bald spots or nicks. So I'm just blow drying them off right now, trying to keep them as clean as possible during this service. Now I'm about to start the taper. I'm not going to speed this up at all. I'm using my lever open. I'm going just about the lever's length. Okay, so if you look at the guard or the no guard, or the blade I should say, that's how high I'm going up. Right now I have my 1 guard open, going about the same length. It's basically like a 1/2 inch. If you look at it and you try to eyeball it, it's like a 1/2 inch. Now I got my 2 open, just debulking, and then I'm going to close that lever. And right there you see I closed the lever. This is just debulking right now. I'm trying to help the transition from the 1 to the 2. Now I got my 1 guard open, using them corners, just debulking, blending in that guideline from the top. Knocking down some of that bulk behind the ear so it doesn't look so bulky. Right now I have my 0.5 guard. This is the old Babyliss guard. Me and the 4th Cam like to call it the 0.75 guard. That's how it cuts, you know what I'm saying? So that is the old one that you would get with all your skeletons and regular Babyliss clippers. Okay, so right here, the new Babyliss Zero Guard. It's like the Wall Premium, but way better, blends easier, definitely higher quality for a fact. You know what I'm saying? This is the best Zero Guard I ever used, especially when you use that older Zero Guard first. So I'm just using my corners. It's pretty much blended already, but this is just going to perfect it. So right now I'm just doing some detail work. I'm going to take out that bottom line, even though you can barely see it. But I'm basically doing detail work. The taper is basically done. Right now I'm taking out that bottom line just with my lever closed using the corners. Just flicking at that line until it's not there anymore. So right now in the back, I'm gonna do the same thing. Make sure you stretch your guidelines out a little bit more just because you have more room back here. As you can see, Jax doesn't have like the perfect head shape for like a back taper. It's not like straight down or smooth back there. So you just want to make sure you get that blend in and try to make as neat guidelines as you can so it can be blurry as possible with that head shape. Alright, you guys, so right here, I'm just doing the other side of the taper. Let me talk to you guys a little bit about how me and 360 Jeezy's, you know what I'm saying, experience was, man. Jeezy is real down to earth, okay? I don't want nobody to think that he's like Hollywood or acts a certain way or a different way in person. What you've seen on my behind the scenes, if you haven't seen that already, go watch that. That's really how he is, you know what I'm saying? He's real chill, real down to earth, real humble. With somebody with that many numbers, you wouldn't have thought would be like that, okay? So, you know what I'm saying, we definitely family now, you know what I'm saying? We done, that week I was there, we done been through some things, okay? You can't nobody say we not family no more, you know what I'm saying? So, Uncle Jared, I do appreciate you, you know what I'm saying? I really do, and you know why, for real. But yeah, so back into the haircut. I basically lowered the side before I lined up behind the ear. I lowered the sides to one close. That'll just help the haircut last longer, and when the hair grows, it won't be all over his ears. And now we're gonna start the lineup process. So I'm using a Tresemme 5-hold hairspray. I'm gonna blow dry it, and all of this, his whole hairline is basically bangs. Okay, as y'all can see, like the waves are just laying over. You know what I'm saying? So we need to cut them waves off. For the people that are thinking this is the pushback, it's not, okay? You gotta cut that over curl off from the waves. Like, it's literally curls laying down on his forehead that we just cut off. So make sure you want to get them crispy as possible. And for all my beginner barbers that can't get like a lineup like super straight or super crispy, do the whole lineup, take a step back, and just make sure it's straight. Like, adjust his head, make sure the head is straight, and you want to see if it's a straight line. My number one tip is do the vertical bars first. That way you can see straight across the head where you need to go. So right now, this is a little tip for you guys. If you guys use enhancements, spray another layer of hairspray on top of the enhancements, and then line it up. That'll give it that real crispy look. So right now, this is where the pretty boy comes into place. It's that mustache and them eyebrows, you know what I'm saying? For all my light skins, y'all already know what it is. I do my eyebrows by just lining up the top straight, and then on the side it comes at an angle, and then I just use the razor to clean it up so it'll last longer. Yeah, you see, pretty boy, you feel me? But yeah, man, this is the before. You know what I'm saying? Definitely came in looking crazy. He needed a cut bad. But yeah, it's my boy Jax. Let me know if y'all think I got him right. Alright, you guys, this is the cut. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys learned anything. This is just a nice, clean, low taper, nice cut. You know what I'm saying? If you learn anything, like I said, comment down below. If you're new, subscribe. And share this video. We trying to get back in the algorithm. We definitely trying to get back in the algorithm. But it's your boy Wavykid Kev. Follow me on Instagram at Wavykid_Kev. And we out. Deuces. Hey bro, how you feel, man?
Feel good. Feel fresh.
Feel fresh?
Yeah. Feel wavy.
Feel real pretty, right?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. The pretty boy haircut right here, man.
Pretty boy. Nappy boy. Hey, pretty boy.
Alright, y'all.
T-Pain type.
Light skin stuff. Alright, y'all. We out.